Hi everyone, it's James and I'm outside as you can see. Today I'm going to be doing Nagashi Soumen. Nagashi Soumen means flushing or flowing noodles. You'll see in a minute, but let's look at the components. I went to a local home center, which is a hardware store. It's just called Home Center here in Japan. And I bought these two plastic concave bamboo-like construction items. And this connector. So each one of these cost me 880 yen, and this cost me 130 yen. So altogether about 2,000 yen. So I'm going to wash this and then we're going to set up the Nagashi-somen. See you soon. That's done. Now to connect it. Show me. Do this. So I'm gonna connect. I can just. It slides right into this. Like that. Are you getting that? Are you getting this?
Yep.
There. So it's going to look like a slide, and then we're going to put a bucket at the very end with a strainer so that the noodles can just fall right into. These are the somen noodles. These are wheat noodles. You can get them anywhere here in Japan. And you'll need this kind of sauce. It's called tsuyu. Not soy sauce. It's called tsuyu. Okay, and get yourself a bowl and some ice cubes and some other toppings. And we have some toppings. I'm going to put the noodles in a bowl with some tsuyu sauce and then put the toppings on top of it. Okay, remember those noodles that you just saw? We had to boil those noodles to make them soft. Now they're in cold water. And then we're going to put them down that slide. Here's the setup. It's not too long, but it's enough. If I wanted to make this longer, I could. Just buy a couple of more pieces of this plastic. Okay, and then I have my water hose, and this is the concept. See how the water just flows down? And the idea is to catch the noodles before it falls into that strainer. So I'm going to put on my sandals right now. Get ready to catch it. Can he catch it? Oops! He got some. Can she catch it? Don't let it get away. You got it! What a pro. Want to drop some noodles in for me, or do you want? Let's do it together. Okay, and put it closer and try to get them. Ah! Too fast. Okay, go ahead and drop some noodles. Drop some noodles.
Too much water. Wait.
I'm going to try to catch these. I'm not fast enough. Last one. Okay, so you got the idea? You got the idea? I can't get them. They're damn fast.
Yeah, no.
Okay, I'm ready to catch. Come on, noodles. Come to Papa. Ooh, I got them. Perfect. Delicious. This is the way. And you can just collect the noodles and put them in the bowl. Got some sauce. Some of that tsuyu sauce is in here. Now you can see it's overflowing. Well, that can't be helped.
3, 2, 1.
Mix it up. I'm gonna put some toppings on it.
Whoa.
Don't worry about it. This is fish cake, kamaboko, sliced eggs, and cucumbers. Mix them around and slurp. Delicious for this summer heat. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.